Hi, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the about an error which we are facing during the start of the Apache server. Suppose here I am trying to start this Apache server, then here we are facing that the error Apache shut down unexpectedly. This may be due to the block port. It means the current port is blocked by another server. That's why Apache is not working. So just go to the config option and click on the Apache configuration. So if you will click on this, find the port number 80880. Find the port number 80. So here says that can't find. Now come to down. So here listen port is 80. Now change this as 8080 or any other number, any other port you want to allocate, you can, but here I allocated port number 8080. Now here server name localhost, that is also convert this as a 8080. Now save this configuration file and close this notepad.conf apache.config httpd.config. Now again try to start this Apache server. Now we can see it is working fine. Thank you.